Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vrishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energy. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take what resonates. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. So let's do general collective reading for sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Virgo. What is their karma of your ex for hurting you? I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So, how did they play you? I have Nine of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. Three of Pentacles. So, this is my third party card. But in this card, can you see that person is offering their cup to or that instrument to that boy, and someone from far is watching with a fish. That swan is watching with a fish in their beak. So it can be that this person used to offer you lot of passion. First of all, you had very fiery connection with them, sexual connections with them, and they have hurt you in the past. They had hurt you many times, and you have forgiven them. But this time, what happened? You stood your ground, and they offered their cup and investment and their emotions to third of part third party. It can be third party, can be a person, family, friends, job. It can be anything. And you saw them, you watched them giving their cup to someone else, or their attention to someone else. So this is how they have hurt you. You felt very hurt because of this, because many years I can see these wands are having small leaves on them. So your connection with them was for many years, maybe 9 months, 9 years. It can be that way. And they kept hurting you, but you kept forgiving them just because you believed that you will have a new start with them, because you had a real sexual passionate connection with them. So you thought this will be into something committed relationship. That is what you used to think. Then what happened? How they feel about playing with you? So the way they left you, so what do they feel about it? They feel you are juggling with your money. You're at your home. This is Two of Pentacles, Three of Athemus, and Seven of Wands. So they think that because they broke your heart. Three of Athemus is Three of Swords actually. So they think you are very heartbroken, and you don't want to talk with them, you don't want to do anything with them. They have played you, uh, but they think that you are heartbroken, and it's okay to be defensive, because they were juggling their money, they were juggling two people. So that is what they feel. They had been defensive with you. They have to stay defensive with you because they have played you, in short. You might be heartbroken. They might watch you from far. Can you see this one? And they have put you through this darkness, and they still feel ki it's okay, because they were thinking about themselves. If someone goes and asks them, why did you do this? They will be very defensive. So they keep protecting themselves. So they don't have any regrets, actually speaking. So now, what is happening in their life now? The way this card comes out, the way they have put you through about this third party. This is Eight of Swords. This is a stressful card. He doesn't know where his life is going. He doesn't know what he has done, and he feels very stuck in this situation. Maybe this third party has put him through a lot of stress and tension. Ace of Swords. He is searching for reality, some search of reality or truth regarding this third party, and he is legally thinking to take some action against that. This is King of Athamas. Can you see? He is doing some legal works and all, and he is very angry also. Can you see, this person is sad and angry, and he is trying to take some action, legal actions. The documents are there on table. So this is what is going on. To the third party, they want to take some legal action because they have found out some truth, or they want to tell them their truth, and they don't know how to, what to do, because he feels stuck right now. Wherever he is, he feels bound to that, and he's helpless in this situation. That is what he feels. So how do they feel about you now? They feel Page of Swords. They're still very childish. They keep an eye on you, your social media, where you go, where you come. And he's trying to act very innocent. See, he keeps watching, and he thinks that if you see him, he or she wants that you should feel sorry for them or something like that, I guess. He knows that he has hurt you and you had been healing. So, Four of Athamas, he knows that you are not concerned with anybody. You are into your emotions and you're healing yourself with nature, I guess. Wherever you are right now, must water must be nearby. You can see water from your house or a place where you stay. You are just trying to recover. That is what I can see. That is what they think now, and they want to work on this connection now. But you are not interested, I guess, or you are not talking to them. So, what is their karma? Karma is, see, Two of Cups. This person is just too, everywhere two. What is this? This is Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups. So this person always will have a choice in love. That is what I can understand. So what is their karma? Two of Cups, Eight of Chalices, and Five of Wands. Their karma is, wherever they will find a lover, wherever they go, if they have choice in lover, if they find a lover also, there will be lot of argument, competition regarding that lover. Every time it will be like that, and he has to walk away emotionally. He has to leave that situation. He will leave, or his other partner will leave. So take what resonates. If he is a man, woman, that woman for whom which he left you, like this, there is a third party situation here. Three of Pentacles. So that person will leave him, or he will leave. He will feel that the other person is a soulmate, but that person will put him through lot of fights, competition, arguments, and he will eventually walk away emotionally. That is their karma. So let's see what are their messages. It's Virgo. Okay. So here are messages from your person which they are not able to tell you through what they feel about you right now, what messages they want to give it to you. Oh God, this person. See, I'm not going to take, these are too much. Okay. See, he wants to come back to you. First of all, it was wrong decision to walk away from you. I want reconciliation. So he wants to come back from this third party. That is what he is trying to do. Or this Okay. I still have anxiety over you. Yes, this is the anxiety card. So cards are speaking here. I'm planning to take you out for dinner, movie, and trip. I think he wants to work on this relationship with you now. He misses your passionate. Yeah, that is why he keeps watching you. So he wants to date you again. In short, I can I cannot give you what you want as I'm already in a committed relationship. So I think he got married to this person, or they are into living relationship, long term relationship, something like that. So he is trying to tell you that he cannot give you commitment. That is what he is saying. Everywhere I see, it reminds me of you. Your aura follows me. I can feel it. So he knows that you were emotionally involved with him, and you had forgiven him them so many times because you loved them, and you had been waiting them for them to change, but they never did. They just they just were into you because you both had very passionate sexual energies. That is it. So that is your karma reading. I hope you like. If you like my video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.